What's up? What's up? What's up? I escaped the plate this year, back at it, and today we've got some deals to talk about. We've got some deals. For those of you wondering, has he hit rock bottom? Survey says yes. Yes, I have. Listen, I have had so much free time to feel anxious, depressed, lonely, isolated, that I just said, you know what would make me feel better? If I just dressed up like a turkey. So here we are. Listen, every year for Black Friday, I just feel like I have an incredibly hard time finding deals. Because, Apple makes a lot of products. So it's like, okay, well, how do I actually know what the deals are? And how do I find the best deal? So I have spent a couple hours today just scouring the internet, like the bird of prey I am. And I have found some pretty good deals. In fact, I have found some deals so good, it might make your wallet cry, because your wallet's going to be so happy that there's more money left in than if you watched another YouTuber's video or went on somebody else's website. So I'm going to leave all these deals linked down below in the description. Just click on the link and it'll shoot you over to a page. Yes, if you buy with some of the links, I make a small commission. So I want to go over my favorite deals, the stuff that I'd be picking up this year based on what Apple released, based on what I'd have an interest in, and maybe it'll help you out because some of these deals are insane. All right, I want to start off with AirPods. I put these first for a reason, just because I feel like this is the Apple product that you got to get. I'm going to sell, I work for Apple now. I have loved AirPods since the day that they came out in 2016. And I still feel like there fairly is a lot of you on the rocks, but the deals this year, best I've ever seen on AirPods since they came out across the board. AirPods with a wired charging case, so AirPods 2, 110. 110, are you kidding me? Just buy them. All right, now you have to have them fit in your ear, which they work great for me, but some people have issues, but just buy AirPods for 110. That is the best deal I've ever seen on AirPods 2. Lowest I've ever seen. Very, very good deal. And then AirPods Pro for 170. That'll make me fly to the nearest Amazon warehouse right now, dude. Are you kidding me? 170? They're normally 250. So 170, again, lowest price I've ever seen. I think if you've been on the rocks for AirPods either way, this is the time to buy. I've not seen deals like this ever. I'm not even a big Black Friday guy. And I think you should buy AirPods from either Walmart or Amazon if you've been on the fence. Next up, Apple TV hasn't been updated in a while, so I wouldn't really say it's a great time to buy, but if you need one, Apple will give you a $50 gift card. A $50 gift card. I can't even speak. It's such a bad deal. So it's out there if you need to buy an Apple TV or something. Apple Watch as well. I just feel like this is another staple product that just got updated a couple months back, so it's a great time to buy if you want one of these. Amazon's got some really good deals on the newest version, the Series 6, on both the 40 and 44 millimeter models. You can get at minimum $20 off, which is not a lot, but if you're buying the 40 millimeter stainless steel GPS plus cellular, you get up to $120 off, which is incredible. Now, obviously you're getting, the way the deals work, higher discounts off of higher priced items, but even getting $20 off, just the aluminum GPS plus cellular model it's still going to save you a couple bucks. You could spend that $20 on Grammy instead. I'm sure Grammy would love that. The Apple HomePod, if you want one of these, Apple's giving you a $100 gift card. Again, not something I personally would really recommend in my iUpdate gift guide, but you can get a $100 gift card when you spend $300 on the HomePod, so it's effectively $200, and at $200, it's a competitive product against anything else, but I just feel like $300, way too expensive for the HomePod. $200 though, with a $100 gift card, honestly, not a bad deal. Pretty good deal, actually. Now, for the iPad stuff, it's kind of a mix this year, but pretty good deals. If you want the cheapest iPad you can get $50 to $70 off at Best Buy. So you're bringing it down to, I think it starts at $330. You'll be getting it for around $270-ish. That's an incredible deal for an iPad. The iPad 8, it just got updated as well, I believe in September too. And it's a great product. It's the lowest end iPad. It's got the least quality, but if you just want an iPad to get started with iPads, then it's a really good deal, $50 to $70 off. And then also the iPad Pro, which is my iPad of choice. It's got the best screen, the best internals, support for the second gen pencil. That is $70 to $150 off at Best Buy. So minimum, you're getting it for, I think, $730 instead of $800 which again is not like an insane deal, but I mean, hey, I wish I would have gotten $70 off when I bought my iPad Pro. This was just updated in March of this year. And there is going to be a new iPad, coming out in the next year, like in March probably. But deal-wise, haven't seen much better than this. iPhone deals are always the thing that I think people want to be the best, but historically are either A, very sketchy, or B, just not even that great of a deal, and the trend continues this year. Listen, I mean, AT&T is giving you a free 12 mini with a select trade-in, or up to $700 off the other iPhone 12s. T-Mobile is giving you an iPhone 12 for free with select trade-ins of like, I think a 10S or newer. And of course, these are all through bill credits, so it's not technically free. It's off your... But see, this is what I don't like. I don't like these convoluted deals. I like either A, give me a gift card, or give me fat cash off. All right, that's what I want. That's what I want. So, I mean, Verizon is, bare bones here. They're the worst of everybody. They're just like $700 off up to with certain trade-ins on all iPhone 12 models. So if you have an old phone and you want to upgrade, I mean, Apple/Verizon and T-Mobile and AT&T, they've got some deals, but there's a lot of terms and conditions, and I've just generally found them to be too confusing. Although my friend Colin, shout out, because he was complaining he didn't get a shout out in my last video. He got his iPhone 12 Pro Max or whatever for like cheap. Now, I know I sounded kind of down about the iPhone 12 stuff, but I will tell you, some third parties like Best Buy and Expercom have some insane deals on Mac stuff. If you want an Intel-based MacBook Air, Best Buy is doing $200 off. If you want the newest M1 chip, you can get $50 off at Expercom. And it seems like they have pretty fast shipping. They have a really nice UI on their site. I've never personally bought from Expercom, but it's legitimate. It's a real site, and they're offering $50 off a new computer that came out 2 weeks ago. And the M1 model is the one I'd recommend from Expercom. It's just so fast, so efficient, insane battery life. I can't believe the MacBook Air, you're getting that, because they're also, Expercom, doing $66 off, oddly specific, the newest MacBook Pro. Now, if you want the 16-inch model with Intel still, Best Buy is giving you $250 off, which is a pretty good bargain, although I would personally not recommend buying an Intel-based Mac right now. And then the Intel-based 13-inch, $150 to $250 off, depending on the configuration at Best Buy. But dude, if you want a new MacBook, just send it on one of the new M1 models. You're getting $50 to $60 off. It's not a ton off of $1,000+, but considering it just came out, it's generally very hard to find deals on this kind of thing, and you can tell how excited I am. And at B&H, for the Mac Mini, the Mac freaking Mini, guys, they're offering $50 to $70 off, which is, again, just something I'd recommend. Like these Macs, 2 weeks ago, they're new. I can feel the heat from the assembly line over at Foxconn from here. Good deals. Good deals on M1 Macs. I would highly recommend buy one of these M1 Macs. This is the time to do it. And with these deals, I don't think they're going to last. Finally, if you just have that person in your life where you're like, I don't care enough about you to actually ask what you want, or you don't care enough to tell me, there is an Apple gift card deal at Best Buy. You can get a $20 Best Buy gift card when you buy a $100 Apple gift card. And finally, Apple did this a few months back. Thank God they made the gift cards universal. So it's no longer like, could I have an iTunes App Store gift card? Not to be confused with an Apple Store gift card, even though they all have the Apple logo on it. That was always the most heartbreaking thing for me as a kid, when I was like, hey, yeah, Grandma, you can just give me a gift card for the Apple Store. And then I was like, I just got $6,000 trillion of iTunes gift cards that I can't spend on anything real other than apps and music. Maybe I just sound like a really mean, ungrateful person. That's not how I hope to come across. But I'm just saying the gift card's universal, so you don't even have to worry about that now. See, the thing is, I'm recording this ahead of when Black Friday actually starts, so you can sort of plan out what you want to get. Or I think a lot of these deals are actually live right now. So I'll tweet out if I see anything wild or crazy tomorrow. Follow me at iup_date on Twitter. I will share anything that comes across my desk that just seems too good to pass up. All right, Apple Black Friday deals 2020. This is your friendly neighborhood turkey signing out.